Starting a business can feel impossible without investors. But what if I told you there are ways to fund your business entirely on your own terms? Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how beginners and even experienced entrepreneurs can get funding without giving away equity or relying on venture capital. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to start your business the smart way in 2026. First, let's talk about bootstrapping. This means using your own money or resources to start your business. It forces discipline and helps you maintain full control. For example, instead of renting a large office, start working from home or a co-working space. Instead of hiring a team immediately, handle multiple roles yourself. Even small savings of $500 to $1,000 can cover your initial expenses if planned wisely. Bootstrapping may sound slow, but it keeps your ownership and builds a sustainable foundation. Next, consider personal loans or credit lines. Many banks and credit unions offer low-interest loans for small businesses. If you have good credit, this can be a great option. For instance, a $10,000 loan at 7% interest can cover equipment, marketing, or inventory without giving up ownership. Just remember to plan repayments carefully so you don't get trapped in debt. Another smart strategy is grants and competitions. Some governments, NGOs, and business programs offer grants specifically for startups. For example, the Small Business Administration often has grants for technology, women-led businesses, and minority entrepreneurs. Business competitions can also award cash prizes, mentorship, or resources. Research what's available in your country and apply to as many relevant opportunities as possible. Pre-selling your product or service is another powerful method. This means getting customers to pay for your product before it's fully built. For instance, if you're launching a new gadget, offer early access at a discount. This approach not only funds your business but also validates demand. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo are perfect for this. You can raise thousands without giving equity away. Consider strategic partnerships. Partner with businesses that complement yours. For example, if you sell handmade skincare products, partner with a local boutique to stock your products in advance. Often, these partnerships come with upfront purchase orders, effectively funding your inventory without loans or investors. Side hustles can also be a game changer. Freelancing, consulting, or selling digital products can generate cash to fund your main business. For example, if your side hustle earns $500 per month, that's $6,000 per year to invest directly into your business. Over time, this can cover substantial startup costs without external funding. Another option is microloans or community lending programs. Many regions have programs designed for small entrepreneurs with low-interest loans under $5,000. These programs are easier to qualify for than traditional banks and provide small but critical cash injections. Even local community banks or credit unions can be surprisingly supportive. Let's not forget asset-based funding. If you own equipment, vehicles, or other valuable items, you can leverage them as collateral for loans or sell items to raise initial capital. For example, selling unused electronics, furniture, or vehicles can easily generate a few $1,000s to kickstart your business without investors. Throughout this journey, the key is planning and discipline. Keep detailed budgets, track every expense, and make sure your revenue streams cover ongoing costs. Avoid unnecessary spending, negotiate deals where possible, and always prioritize methods that don't dilute your ownership. Finally, mindset matters. Funding without investors requires patience, creativity, and persistence. But the payoff is huge. You maintain full control of your business, make your own decisions, and reap all the rewards. Every dollar you fund yourself is a step closer to true independence and financial freedom. If you want more practical business strategies, step-by-step funding guides, and tips for growing your business without giving away equity, hit the subscribe button now. Comment below which funding method you're going to try first: bootstrapping, grants, or pre-sales. And let's start building your business in 2026.